Oh yeah, he is out. And looks like he's in a subway right now.
Hazard reported ahead.
What hazard is that, Waze? Looks like a car stopped coming up ahead. Not sure if I see him. By the way, our footage is on Hearts of Heroes, which I think aired on, what is it? I forget what channel Hearts of Heroes is on. I think it might be ABC. Our footage is also going to be on another episode, so I'm very curious to check it out. It's already on their YouTube channel. I don't know if the mods want to post a link to that. But yeah, I gotta just edit the part that our footage is on and then put it on our social media. So you see the Brooklyn Bridge here is it's not very plowed, right? You can see it's just covered with snow. Not many vehicles around me. I think I can increase my speed here, but I just recorded a quick clip on my phone of the Brooklyn Bridge. Probably save this as a highlight too, you know, driving on the Brooklyn Bridge. Oh, they're slowing down. Uh-oh, I'm slipping. As I hit that brake, the brake started to vibrate. Or you can see these cars are slowing down as well, because you don't want to slip in this. You do not want to slip in this. All these cars, they're going super slow for a good reason. I would not be so close like that to each other. These cars are way too close to each other. All right, let's see if this is a highlight.